Greetings from another nudist beach spot in Stockholm, in the Flaten Nature Reserve. It is my very first time here on this very spot, and I have stopped by around a few hundred meters in that direction. There is another beach, and this one is also close to Ekudden, the spot that I have been showing you many times on my channel. But today was perfect to get here because the wind is blowing from south, from that direction. So it means that here it is very less wind compared to Ekudden. It is 30th of May actually today, the second last day of the month, or the next last. Saturday, sun so far, but the clouds are on their way. 20 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out soon how warm it is in the lake Flaten. The lake looks so clean and so nice, and from these rocks you can also jump into the lake as well. It looks so stunning, and the temperature of the water is also quite warm, as I feel it now on my hands. And also I need to buy a new thermometer because my floating one has broken. So today I am doing some different measurement with my other static thermometer. You can feel the wind blowing, not so pleasant, but here where I am it's quite nice. The thermometer says 16 degrees, but I'm a bit hesitant because I have been measuring over 18 degrees in the water here, so something is not right. So it will be NA, the temperature today, because I can't, it feels a lot warmer than 16 degrees, and we're gonna feel it also that way when I'm gonna be swimming later, and I plan also to swim to the other side and back. But enough about my swim, more about the beach spot before we get into the water. Beach day number 46 is today, and I just love this type of beach spot in the nature. I have gotten here from my home with my bike, Scott, 8 kilometers. It took me 22 minutes. And yes, the beach adventures continue, and it looks like I'm gonna be quite busy this summer. So I will definitely need to use the weekends more for beach adventures. But however, it will be light until very late in the evening. So we're gonna have more of a late night or early morning beach adventures continuing, except for the weekends. But we are then ready to get into the water, and I think I'm going to jump because I know it is quite deep here, so I'm gonna go for it as I feel like it today. I feel adventurous, and yeah, so we are then ready for a swim at this nudist beach spot in Stockholm. So ready, set, and go! Oh, it's very deep. It's very deep and it's not cold at all. Perfect. Oh my god, I'm so happy when I find a new beach spot that I can come back to again, where I'm usually alone and with the most beautiful forest. Whew. I love Lake Flaten. It's one of the best lakes. But the water feels kind of chilly, so maybe 16 degrees is correct. I don't know. I will tell you that later. Yes, today is also the Stockholm Marathon, and I have been running that marathon in 2021, I think. Yeah, so 5 years ago, My time was 3 hours and 27 minutes. And let's see when I'm gonna have a challenge again to run it. But I'm sure it's gonna come to that. So, greetings from Flaten and my new nudist beach spot in the nature. And stay tuned then for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach adventures with Chris! Yeah.